Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my sir. I'm Alma. I'm 47 years old. I am married. I have four kids. They are 27, 22, and 16 for the girl, and only boy is 21. And I'm the third in the family.
Okay, what is your educational background?
I'm college graduate, finance management, undergraduate.
Okay, so do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
No, but I have experience in Philippines. Start in October 2017 to November 2024. I
Okay,
taking
what-
care of the elderly. She is 74, and the kids, they are 3 years old for the boy, and the girl is 8 years old.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
They are 5 in the family.
Only one helper in the house?
They are
Only how many helper?
they are 3 in the family.
No, helper. How many helper?
Yeah, they have 3 helpers.
3 helper in the house?
Yeah, because they have business.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care? Newborn, children, or elderly?
I prefer the newborn.
Okay. So can you handle to take care of newborn because your children are already grown up?
Yeah.
Okay, so if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No.
Do you eat pork?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo?
No.
Do you have vision problems?
No.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
Yeah, I have.
What kind of certificate?
I am certified caregiver in situ, elderly, and home care.
Okay, so have you ever any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
Yes.
What kind of surgery?
It's a breast mass, and the result is benign.
Okay, so have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the salary is high, and I want to earn and save for my 2 kids who is at the same time go in college.
Okay, so but do you still have energy to work in Hong Kong because you're already 47 years old?
Yeah, of course, because I'm physically and active.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.